This is the controlling panel. Includes lights, switches, modes, buttons. Turn on the switch. Set to be manual mode. Press the pump to start. The pump light becomes green. Then can press the manual down and up to operate the press. The press will stop any position when releasing the button at manual mode. Take off this gate. Can set the top dead point. That can save return time when making small fudgings. When set to be auto mode, the slide will stop at the setting point. The oil pressure is set to be to 5 MPa. The press can reach the max, stress 500K and 50T. Please rotate this rotary knob to increase or decrease the stress, max. The press also with open door stop function. To ensure the safety when making maintenance, the machine could not work until closing the door. The 4 Xerox to make the greasing.
记得点赞关注哦。